Did you know these 5 simple exercises can fix almost every mobility problem you're dealing with?
Do these daily
and stay mobile for years to come.
The fifth one is the most important.
Skip it and you'll lose your independence.
Number 1,
the
puppy pose.
The puppy pose.
This is the ultimate antidote to a sedentary lifestyle.
And this single move will unlock your spine in just 1 minute.
The puppy pose
decompresses your spine, helping you undo the damage of sitting all day. It opens up your chest and shoulders, making it easier to breathe. Here's how to do it. Start on all fours. Slowly walk your hands forward until your chest sinks toward the floor. Keep your hips stacked directly over your knees. Actively reach forward with your arms.
Do this for 60
breathing
seconds.
slowly throughout the movement.
Pressure release
Do this
almost
for
instantly.
60 seconds.
Number
You'll
2,
feel the pressure release almost
90/90
instantly.
hip hold.
Number 2,
Most
the
people can't even
90/90
sit in this
hip
position
hold.
for 10
Most
seconds.
people can't even
That's
sit
how
in this
tight their hips
position
are.
for 10 seconds.
And that's exactly why
how
your lower
tight
back
their
ends up
hips are.
overworking
And that's
and taking the
exactly
hit.
why your lower
The
back ends up
90/90 hip hold
overworking and
restores the
taking the
natural
hit.
hip
The
rotation.
90/90
We've almost
hip
completely
hold
lost from
restores
years
the
of sitting.
natural hip
It takes the
rotation.
brakes off your
We've
hips,
almost
so your lower
completely
back can
lost
finally
from
relax.
years of sitting.
Here's how
it
to do
takes
it.
the brakes off
Sit
your
on the
hips
floor with
so
both
your
legs
lower
bent at
back
90
can
degrees.
finally relax.
One leg in
Here's
front
how
of
to
you
do it.
and one to the
Sit
side.
on the floor with
Keep your
both
spine
legs
tall
bent at
and your chest
90
up.
degrees.
If you're
One
leaning to
leg
the
in
side,
front of you
place
and
your
one
hands
to
on
the
the floor for
side.
support,
Keep your
or sit
spine
on a
tall
block
and
to
your
elevate
chest
your
up.
pelvis.
If you're leaning to the
Aim for
side,
30
place
seconds
your
on
hands
each
on the
side.
floor for support.
You'll feel a deep
Or
pressure
sit
in the
on a
hip
block
socket.
to elevate
That's
your
your hips
pelvis.
finally opening
Aim
up
for
again.
30 seconds on
Number
each
3,
side.
the horse
You'll
stance.
feel a deep
The horse
pressure in the
stance
hip
creates
socket.
an unbreakable
That's your hips
foundation.
finally
This
opening up
isometric
again.
hold
Number
builds
3,
powerful legs,
the horse stance.
strong joints,
The horse stance
and the kind of
creates
stability
an
that protects your
unbreakable
entire body.
foundation. This
Research
isometric
shows that
hold
static
builds
holds
powerful
strengthen your
legs,
tendons
strong
and improve
joints,
joint
and the
stability.
kind of stability that
This is the
protects
kind of
your
strength
entire
that
body.
keeps you mobile for
Research
decades.
shows that static
Here's how to do
holds
it.
strengthen your
Stand with
tendons
your
and
feet wider
improve
than
joint
shoulder width.
stability.
Point
This
your
is the
toes
kind of
forward or
strength
slightly
that
out.
keeps you mobile for
Lower
decades.
your hips until
Here's
your
how to
thighs
do
are
it.
parallel to the
Stand
floor.
with your feet wider
your
than
chest
shoulder
upright.
width. Point
This
your
is where the
toes
mental
forward
battle
or
begins.
slightly out.
Hold for
Lower
60
your
seconds.
hips until your
Your legs will
thighs are
shake,
parallel
but that's
to the floor.
exactly how you
Keep
build
your
the
chest
foundation
upright.
that keeps you on your
This is
feet
where
for
the
the rest of your
mental
life.
battle begins.
Number 4,
hold for 60
the
seconds.
world's greatest
Your legs
stretch.
will shake.
If your
but
whole
that's
body feels
exactly
tight,
how you build the
do this one.
foundation that
In
keeps
one
you on your
single flow,
feet for
you
the
target
rest of
every
your
major
life.
area of
Number
stiffness.
4,
Your
the
ankles,
world's
hips,
greatest stretch.
spine,
If your
and
whole body
shoulders.
feels tight,
It's a
do
perfect
this
full
one.
body reset
in
in
one
just 1
single
minute.
flow.
It
you
opens up
target
your
every
entire body
major
and helps
area
you
of
move more
stiffness.
freely,
Your
almost immediately.
ankles, hips,
Here's how to do
spine,
it.
and shoulders.
Step into a long
It's a
lunge.
perfect full
Bring your
body
inside
reset
elbow
in
toward the
just
floor next
1
to your
minute.
front foot.
It opens up
Rotate
your
your chest
entire
upward,
body and
reaching
helps
your
you
hand
move
toward the
more
ceiling.
freely almost
Follow your hand
immediately.
with your
Here's
eyes
how
as
to
you
do
open
it.
up your chest
Step
and
into
spine.
a long
Do
lunge.
this for 30
Bring
seconds
your
per side.
inside elbow
It's the
toward the
fastest
floor
way to
next to your
restore full
front
body
foot.
movement.
Rotate your
Number
chest
5,
upward,
the deep
reaching
squat.
your hand
We saved
toward
the
the
most
ceiling.
important one for
Follow
last.
your hand
The
with
deep
your
squat
eyes
is a
as
primal
you
human
open up
resting
your
position.
chest and spine.
Children can stay
Do
here
this
for
for
hours,
30
but
seconds
most
per
of us
side.
completely lose
It's
it
the
with age.
fastest way
The
to
ability to
restore
sit in a
full
deep
body
squat
movement.
is a strong sign
Number
of
5,
lifelong
the
mobility.
deep squat.
It decompresses
we
your
saved the
spine,
most important
restores
one for
natural hip
last.
movement,
The deep
and
squat
takes
is a
stress off your
primal
joints.
human resting
Here's
position.
how to do it.
Children can stay
Stand with
here
your
for
feet
hours,
shoulder width
but
apart.
most of us completely
Slowly
lose it
lower
with
yourself
age.
into your
The
deepest
ability
squat.
to sit in a
Try to
deep
keep your
squat
heels
is a
flat on the
strong
floor.
sign of
If you
lifelong
struggle with
mobility.
balance,
It
hold onto a door
decompresses your
frame
spine,
or a heavy table
restores
to stay
natural
upright.
hip movement,
Hold for
and
60
takes
seconds.
stress off your joints.
This is how you
Here's
reclaim
how to
the
do
natural
it.
mobility
Stand
your
with
body
your
was built
feet
for.
shoulder width
To see
apart.
real results,
Slowly
you
lower
need a daily
yourself into
protocol.
your deepest
Here's how
squat.
to combine these
Try
5
to keep your
movements
heels
into a
flat
simple
on the
5-minute
floor.
daily
If you
routine.
struggle with balance,
Start with the
hold
puppy
onto a
pose for
door
60
frame
seconds.
or a heavy table
Next,
to
move
stay
into the
upright.
90/90
Hold for
hip
60
hold
seconds.
for 30
This
seconds
is how
on
you
each side.
reclaim the natural
After that,
mobility
go
your
straight
body
into
was
the
built
horse
for.
stance for
To
60
see real
seconds.
results, you need
Follow
a
with the
daily
world's greatest
protocol.
stretch for
Here's
30
how to
seconds per
combine
side
these 5
and
movements
finish with
into
the
a
deep
simple
squat for 60
5-minute
seconds.
daily routine.
Now, if you want
Start
to
with the
stay
puppy
mobile and
pose
keep
for
your hips
60
strong
seconds.
for life,
Next, move
watch
into
this
the
video next.
90/90 hip hold
Start
for
today,
30
and I'll
seconds
see
on
you in
each
the next
side.
video.